Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you how to manage stuff of your franchise. In the beginning, let's go to franchise and go to manage stuff. Here you can manage franchise stuff, team schemes, formation subs and auto subs. Select menu you would like to adjust.
Welcome to your franchise staff. Here you find the right coaches to hire.
And now you can view talent tree, manage, select game day goal for head coach, offensive coordinator, defensive coordinator, and the next player personnel. The more you play and the more advanced is your team, the more settings you would like to can adjust. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.